All right, guys, here we go. Quick look at natural gas futures. And we're looking at the daily chart of the standard natural gas futures. And as we have been pounding the table and preaching about, we thought we are going to get a breakout overnight into today. And actually, we did, meaning we were green. And if you remember from yesterday's video, we were doing pretty good, but we kept pounding the table, needed confirmation because we needed to verify this move was, for real was going to continue. And like I said, I'm really not confident in this natural gas potential breakout until we start clearing this red dash line and the green dash line. Okay, and let me take that green off there. It's been there for weeks or whatever. But anyway, that's another measured move. But most important thing right now, we're still under the 50, that green line, simple day moving average. And then just as important, this low pivot consolidation zone over here, all the way across. Boom, boom, boom. It held until it didn't. Okay. And then right through here, it held. And then as you can see, we had basically a slam down candle. Actually, bearish engulfing, clearing takeout candle because it cleared and took out everything, to the left of it, near term. Then we, double bottom down here and still holding the 20. Okay. But we're just under that 50 and under this, beginning to be since February, a long term, previous support, now resistance line. Okay. So we got to get up and over it and pretty much we're right on this downtrend line going back to January this year. Okay, so yeah, we're still holding and molding on UNG, a little short play here. And the main reason being, just a little trick, you always need to look left. That's where you're going to find, the beginning of the story and sometimes the end of the story over on this side of the chart. You see, we came down. Let me draw this out for you. Came down and then basically did a V-shaped recovery for natural gas. And then, we just, waterfalled over, but we held here for a little bit. Okay. Inside bar, that green bar is 1, 2, 3 days held inside and then dumped under, got over, but no follow through. So that was, uh, not good. And then again, consolidation, but UNG is more bearish, looking for more downside here, maybe coming down into this little area, little double bottom area here, low pivot. See where we came down, pivot 180 back up to the other side, but we, lost it. And like I was saying, yeah, even under the 20 here, which is no good near term. But anyway, I just wanted to bring that, to your attention. I mean, this is definitely not financial advice. It's just saying I'd feel more comfortable if we started trading up and over that red dash line 240. We've been having all these fake outs, but still, consolidating here and over the 20s. So, um, you know, each person has to know what their, you know, risk management is on their funds and stick by that. Absolutely. And this, but once we break this, I'll show you a little trick. Because it should, it's at some point. We kind of have a little, what the old guys used to call fry pan bottom here. Let me get, let me do this. Maybe you can see it better like this. Okay. Now, if we come back and trade, in this area, something like this, then that's, kind of a cup and handle, but it starts off this little fry pan bottom. And then you take this deal from the low pivot there to the breakout and make sure this is perfect. So that's a 10% move. So once we break that red dash line, yeah, 10, yeah, there we go. What was it? 265. Yeah, so and that'll clear us out. Let me make sure what was that? 1047. You know, right through here, this high, yeah, this high pitch should take us up to that. And then possibly, okay, let me get rid of that. Then I'll show you how this thing will run. So, you know, up here, down, and run up to that zone. And then as long as we keep putting in those W's, we can work our way out and overtake this area here, you know, come up into that $3 area. So, but anyway, I know that was kind of a long video, but I wanted to break that down, kind of show you how what we're looking at, kind of like a chess game, two, three, you know, moves ahead. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Give us a follow on Twitter and check out the information in the description, and we will see you on the charts.